Diamond Finance, nais po nating tawagin ang ating minamahal na Vice Chairman and President, Engineer Michael V. Gonzalez. Tayo po ay magbigay ng masigabong palakpakan.
Good evening sa lahat, lalo na sa ating mga honored guests, si General Ricardo Bisaya, si Colonel Perpol, ang ating General Manager ng JFCC, Jungle Fighter Trading Cooperative, at ating mga mahal na ahente, syempre, thank you for being here. Of course, our beautiful wives who are busy looking at their purchases, and to everyone else, good evening. You know, it's the 48th year of Diamond Finance. So, ako naman kasi, you know, I'm an engineer. I'm always stuck with numbers. So, I wondered where I was at when I was 48 years old. That was 2010. And surprisingly, in 2010, I was 50 pounds heavier. And surprisingly, in 2010, I couldn't walk up from our street in Northwestern because you call Green Hills because of Green Hills East, and I couldn't walk up, and I had to have my daughter push me along. So now, 50 pounds lighter. It's just a testament of how change can be. So I also wondered what it was in 2010, how much Diamond's assets were at that time. What was it doing at that time? And so I realized that from 2010 to 2017, Diamond's asset grew 3 times. And before, and if you want to have a gauge, in 2010, we were less than $1 billion in assets. So if you think about it, wow, what changed, no, from 2010 to 2017, and then now in 2024, we are 9 times bigger than 2010. So if you think about it, sabi mo, but you know what's nice about that is up to now we only have 45 employees. Sana nga 48 para eksakto 48, di ba? 48 or 48. We only have 45 employees, and if kung bibilangin ninyo, 45 employees in 2010, 45 employees in 2024, imagine mo yung output ng 45 employees na yun. Imagine nyo lang yun. Because dati nga, sabi nga nila si Al, pagka may collection na lumampas ng 100 million, nagsasayaw na sa taas ng table. Ngayon, kung bumaba yung collection to a certain number, much bigger than that, galit si General Isleta. So, ang ano doon, yan ang pagkaiba ng panahon. Kasi ngayon, ang iniisip ko, nandiyan dyan ang galing ng marketing na nililid ni Janice Jenson. Tumayo ka. Nandiyan dyan ang kagitingan ng operations na nililid ni Al Copuyo. So, at nandiyan dyan ang mga masino na accounting or finance group namin na nililid ni Chato Ramos at ni April Ilocco. Where's Chato? Oh, by the way, let's congratulate Chato for being able to attend today because she is really not well, but we always pray for her. So, siguro ang anniversary message ko na lang sa inyo ang Diamond noong 2010, nung 48 years old ako, gaya nung 50 pounds na nawala sa akin, nag-decide siguro nung 2010 na hindi siya magpapadala sa Agos at sasabay siya sa Agos. So, kasi kung siya ay nagpadala sa Agos, wala tayo dito ngayon. Wala tayong sindaw, wala tayong yung mga incentive, mga bonus, na hanggang ngayon parang floating on air ang iba sa atin, o marami sa atin ay floating on air. So, ang siguro huling mensahe ko na lang sa inyo, iisipin ninyo na tayo ay nakasakay sa agos ng buhay at dapat tayo ay sumasabay. Kung tayo ay hindi sumabay, madadala tayo ng agos at kung saan na lang tayo pupulutin. So, happy anniversary. I'm glad na 48 years na. And, oh, by the way, my last message. As you know, this is a modern Filipina. Modern Philippine, Filipiniana. So, my father texted me and he said he had this material for me to wear for this event. No, my father. Father that represented by my sister. So, this material which came from his baol, this particular barong, came from his baol, it looked really cannot be resuscitated. However, I had it laundered and I brought it to yung sa street, dun sa Green Hills, 1,400 lang binayad ko. Galing. Burrito talaga ako. So I'm saying this because today I wear something from my father. And this company is a testament to his greatness.